the thing which we are going to start is arc and chord properties. Okay. Now there will be even more one or two theorems now which we need to prove, and then we'll have the examples to do. Okay. Now the first theorem which you have is, if two arcs of a same circle subtend equal angle at the center, then the two arcs are equal. Okay, what is the theorem? If two arcs of a same circle subtend equal angles at the center, then they are equal. That means if I draw the circle like this, okay, and if this is the center, okay, if two arcs of the same circle, means suppose this is one of the arc that is subtending one of the angle which is equal to the other arc's angle. That means if this is one of the arc, okay, and this is the another arc which you have, this both arc are subtending an equal angle, that is this angle and this angle both are equal. That is, if this is AOB, this is COD, what is given in this? The given thing is angle AOB is equal to angle COD. Okay, subtend equal angle at the center, then they are equal. Now what you have to prove? To prove is arc AB is equal to arc CD. This is what you need to prove. Okay. Chantal, James, Shlok, why your video went off? I think they can ask you. It's not a complex theorem. It's a very basic thing. Okay. Now what you have, arc AB and arc CD, you need to prove that they are equal. Okay. Now what we will do, we will have to do some construction in this. The construction is draw chord AB and CD. Okay. If you have to draw chord AB and CD. Okay. Now let's write the proof.
Sir, SAS test. No?
Yeah, we'll be doing that. Now in triangle AOB and triangle COD, what all things we can see? That is AO is equals to CO, radii. Yeah. Also OB is equals to OD, the same thing, radii. Okay, they both are radius. That's why they both are equal. Also angle AOB is equals to angle COD. Angle AOB is equals to angle COD. Why? That's given.
Sir, given, huh?
Yeah. Therefore, what we can say? Therefore, triangle AOB will is congruent to triangle COD. Once the two triangles are congruent, by which test they will be congruent?
SAS.
SAS.
SAS. This side, this angle, and this side, as we have done. So the two triangles are congruent by SAS test of congruency. Okay. The two triangles are congruent by SAS test of congruency. Now we have proved it. Now can I say that is AB is equals to CD by CPCT?
CPCTC.
Yeah, CPCT-C. Yeah, by CPCT. I will write CPCT only. I have learned CPCT. Okay. AB is equals to CD. By what? By CPCT. Fine. Now, if the chords are equal, that means these two chords are equal. Then I can say arc AB is also equal to arc CD. Why? Because equal chords make equal arc length. Okay. Therefore, what I can say? Therefore, arc AB will be equal to arc CD. What is the reason? Equal chords have equal arc length. Okay. In the same circle. In the same circle.
This is another theorem, no?
It's another theorem. It's just a statement. Yeah. Equal chords have equal arc length in the same circle. Because if you have a same chord length, then it will obviously it will make a same arc length. Okay, that's why what we can say arc AB is equals to arc CD. Fine. That's it. The theorem has been proved. Fine. Is this clear, everyone? Please raise your hands to say clear.
Clear.
I said raise your hands. Okay. Yeah, yeah, fine. Okay. Fine, fine. You can lower down your hands. Next. Mm, the next theorem which you have is this what they have given. If two arcs of a circle are equal, then they subtend equal angle at the center. Now it is the same thing you have to prove. Over here the arc are equal and then you have to prove that the angles are equal. The same thing you will have to do. You will have to apply SSS test of congruency in this. The same thing you have to do. What do you think you will be able to prove it?
So it's the same thing, no?
It's the same thing, but it's a converse. See to this statement. So, see what is the difference? If two arcs of a circle are equal, over here they have said if the arcs are equal, then they subtend equal angles. And over here, if two arcs of the same circle subtend equal angles at the center, then they are equal. Then the arcs are equal. What they are saying, if the angles are,
Converse, okay,
it
sir.
is just the converse. Okay. So this is also the same thing. You only have to take the same triangle, prove it there. Now the two triangles will be congruent by SSS test. Okay, not SAS because now the angles are not equal. All the three sides you can compare and they will be equal, and then you can say that the two triangles are congruent by SSS test of congruency, and then you can say that the two angles are also equal by using CPCT. How many of you have understood how to prove the second one?
Sir, in this why SAS we cannot do because they're telling here, no, equal angles.
You have to prove the two angles are equal. That will come afterwards when you have proved that the two triangles are congruent. First, what they will give, see, I'll take the diagram. In this theorem, what they have given, if two arcs of the circle are equal, that means this arc is equal to this arc. So if this arc is equal to this arc, can I say this side will be equal to this side?
Yes,
Yeah. Then I can say that this side is equal to this side by radius of the same circle.
radii.
Radii.
Yeah, and then this side is equal to this side. Then the two triangles are congruent by which test?
SSS.
SSS.
Got it? Then you will prove that these two angles are equal by CPCT. Got it, everyone? Please raise your hands if you have understood everything. Okay. Shlok, what about you? So, I should ask you separately to raise your hands? Then, okay, fine. Next. The next is, I think, the exercise. Yeah. Now let us start with the exercise. What do you have in this? In the given figure, an equilateral triangle ABC is inscribed in the circle. Now, this triangle ABC is equilateral triangle. That means all the angles are 60, 60, 60. Okay, we know that since it's a equilateral triangle. Now, ABC is inscribed in the circle with center O. Find angle BOC. We know that if this is 60 degree, what will be this angle?
30.
Third.
नहीं नहीं 120 120.
120. What is the reason?
Angle at the circumference is half of angle at the center.
Okay, fine. Angles subtended by the same arc at the center is twice the angle subtended at any point on the circle by the same segment. Okay, so this will be 120 degree. So this angle is 120 degree. Got it?
Okay.
Now what will be angle OBC? Yeah, Chantal James, can you tell?
Sir,
Wait, I will ask one by one. You have to answer. Chantal James, can you answer how you'll find angle OBC?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, please
Uh,
tell. The one who knows how to answer, you can keep your hands raised by using an option in the setting. Yes, Reagan, can you answer? Okay. As you can see in triangle OBC, in triangle OBC, what you have? OB is equals to OC. That means triangle OBC is an isosceles triangle. Yeah, triangle OBC is an isosceles triangle. Therefore, what we know? Therefore, what we can say that triangle OBC is an isosceles triangle. You can lower down your hands. Isosceles triangle. Therefore, angle OBC will be equal to angle OCB. Yeah, so they both will be equal. If I say this is equals to X, so in triangle OBC, in triangle OBC, what I can say? 120 plus X equals 180. So 2X equals 60 and therefore X equals 30. Therefore angle OBC equals 30 degree. Fine. Easy. I have said that you can lower down your hands. Ashutosh. Fine. Okay. Is that clear to everyone? You can nod your face to say yes. Okay. Next. Now what is given over here? In the given figure, a square is inscribed in a circle with center O. This square is inscribed in the circle, okay, with center O. Find angle BOC, they are saying. How you will find angle BOC? This angle you need. See, they have already given that this is a square. ABCD is a square. Okay. Uh, and this O is the center of the circle. Fine. And we need to find what is angle BOC.
Sir,
Yeah.
is OB bisecting angle ABC?
How do we know? Actually, it is, but how do we know it? Actually, it is bisecting.
Diagonals bisect, but it's not diagonal. Okay.
Diagonals of a square are bisector, angle bisector as well as perpendicular bisector. Yes, that is there. Angles of
But sir,
diagonals of
here
the
it's
square.
not given, no diagonal.
Yeah, we do not know that actually it has to be a center only because if it's a square and if we are drawing a diagonal, this will be the center of the circle only.
Yes.
Yeah, it has to be. But without using it, how we can say?
OB and OC are radii, sir, but then BC are not written.
Yeah, just a moment.
Sir,
Yeah,
B plus O.
yeah,
Continue.
yeah. What?
Sir, Chantal was telling.
Yeah, Chantal, you can tell.
So BOC will be 90-degree, right?
Yeah, but how? I also know that
Okay.
it is 90
Okay.
degree, but how we can show that it is
Sorry.
a 90 degree?
Sir, angles of a square all are 90 degree, no?
Yeah,
Sir,
that
so
is
that
fine. But this is the middle angle, no?
Sir, if we get any of the angles ABCD, then we'll get O. That will be double. But how to get?
Yeah. What we can do is, yeah,
sir, diagonals of the square.
are perpendicular bisectors.
Sir, where they intersect, that is every time 90 degree, no?
Yeah, it is every time 90 degree for a rhombus as well as in the square. So what we can say, angle BOC is equals to 90 degree. Why? Diagonals of a square are
Sir,
perpendicular
but then
bisectors.
again, diagonals है कि नहीं वो पता नहीं.
Yeah,
We'll have to
we
prove
do not
first,
know.
na?
Yeah, we do not know that they are the diagonals. So what we can do? If you do not know that they are the
Sir, we
diagonals,
can construct. No, but they are not told. Na. Sorry.
no. What we can do is, if I draw a line over here, if I draw a line from B to O and which is touching D, okay, draw what you can write. We'll do some construction in this. draw BOD. Okay, if you draw triangle BOD, uh, we can prove that the two triangles are congruent. This triangle and this triangle are congruent. Yeah, by how we can say? Now in triangle BOC and triangle COD. Yeah, what I know, that is BO is equals to CO, radii, and CO is equals to DO, again radii, and BC is equals to CD. Why?
Sir, why can't we take common side and sides of a square?
You can take that also, no problem. You can take that also. This BC equals CD, the reason is side of square. Yeah, therefore I can say triangle BOC is congruent to triangle COD, right? Therefore I can say that angle BCO is equal to angle OCD. Why? By CPCT, right? But I know that angle BCO plus angle OCD equals how much? 90 degree, because angle BCD should be 90 degree because it's a square. Yes or no? This angle BCO plus OCD should be equal to 90 degree, no? Because that should be equal to BCD. Yes or no?
Ah, correct, sir.
Correct? Okay. So, but BCO is equals to OCD. So, can I say angle BCO plus angle BCO equals 90 degree? So, twice of angle BCO.
Sir, BCO plus OCD, no?
Yeah, but OCD, instead of OCD, I can write BCO only, no? Because these both are equal.
Ah, okay.
Yeah. So, twice of angle BCO equals 90 degree. So, angle BCO will be equal to 45 degree. Yeah. Now, in triangle OBC. Now, what I will say, in triangle OBC. OBC. OB is equal to OC, radii.
Hmm.
If the two sides are radii, then what I can say, therefore, angle OBC is equal to angle OCB equals 45. BCO,
Isosceles
wait,
triangle property.
BCO, OBC and OCB, but yeah, equals to 45 degree. Yeah, so angle OBC plus angle OCB plus angle BOC equals 180 degree. So 45 plus 45 plus angle BOC will be equal to 180 degree, and then I can say angle BOC is equals to 90 degree. Got it? Yeah, this you can say. Now, what you need? So this is done. Angle BOC is 90 degree. We got it. Okay. Now angle OCB we have already found, that is 45. Angle COD that will also be 90 because these two triangles are congruent, no? If I draw a line, these two triangles are congruent, so this angle will also be 90 degree.
90
And
degree.
angle BOD will be a straight line, so it's a 180 degree.
Degree.
If is BD a diameter of the circle? Yes. Got
How
it?
do we know, sir?
Huh?
How do we know?
Because yeah, if BD, since angle BCD is 90 degree, so this has to be a diameter because angle in a semicircle are 90 degree.
Didn't get it, sir.
Didn't
Last
get it?
one.
Fine. I'll explain. Suppose if this is your circle, if this is your circle, and you know that one of this angle is 90 degree. If you know that this angle is 90 degree, if you know that this angle is 90 degree, then if you join this two, it has to be a diameter.
Ah, understood, sir. Understood.
Yeah. It has to be a diameter. Why? Because angle in a semicircle are 90 degree. Got it? That's why. Clear?
So
Everyone over
sir, we'll
here.
have to write reason there
Yes,
also,
yes,
na?
yes, yes. You have to write the reason. Angle in a semicircle are 90 degree. That's why BD is a diameter. Clear? Everyone. Now the next. Now in the given figure, AB is a side of a regular pentagon. I hope you guys are aware about what is pentagon, hexagon, septagon. Yeah?
Yes, sir.
Okay, fine. If it is a pentagon, um, I'll draw a pentagon. It's not coming. Okay, consider this is the pentagon which I have drawn. Okay, and suppose if this is the center of the pentagon. Okay, and if I draw lines to this over here. So tell me, what will be this angle?
360. If it's a regular pentagon, 360 divided by 5.
Yes, I hope everyone is getting it. Yes or no? Yeah,
Sir.
since the total angle is 360 degree, right? The total round angle is 360 degree and it has been divided into five equal parts. So it will be the each angle will be divided with 5, means 360 divided by 5, whatever you get, that will be the angle, each angle. Fine. Now over here in the given figure, AB is a side of a regular pentagon. This AB is a side of a regular pentagon. So what will be this angle? Angle AOB will be equal to 360 upon 5. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So that gives you 5 sevens are 35 and then 72. So this angle will
70.
be 72. And BC is a side of a regular hexagon. Hexagon means how many sides?
6.
6. Exactly. So if it is 6 sides, what will be this angle?
360 divided by 660.
Exactly. That will be 60. Now what they are
Only if
asking.
it's a regular thing. Yeah.
Yeah, if this regular is important. Regular means what is the significance of writing regular behind it, behind the polygon's name?
All the sides are equal.
Also, I
Yeah. So if it is a pentagon, they if they write only pentagon means
Different sides
sides are
can be
not
there.
equal.
yeah, it can
Five
be the
sides.
polygon has 5 sides, but the all sides may or may not be equal. But if they write regular pentagon, if they write regular, that means all sides are equal.
All sides are equal.
Okay, fine. Now angle AOB they are asking, that is 72 degree. We have already done. Angle BOC, that will be 60 degree. After that angle AOC, you just add both of them. That is 120, 132. After that angle OBA, this will be how much? Please tell. Reagan D'Souza, you will answer this. What will be angle OBA? Rest of you can text your answer. Arjun
Sir,
Shetty,
OBA.
yeah, you can answer. Yeah, Reagan, please tell.
Sir,
How?
OBA, right?
Yeah, yeah, you have to write. Tell what is angle OBA. Arjun Shetty, you can also answer. You're on mute. I think the mic is not near you.
Sir, can you check?
Yeah, yeah. Yeah, mostly your answer is right, Arushi. Arjun Shetty, can you answer? Shlok, yeah. Arjun, that's not right. I'm asking what will be angle OBA. Ashutosh, can you answer?
Sir, angle OBA, na?
Yeah.
Or 54.
हाँ sir.
Who was this? Reagan?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay, very good. That's 54. Yeah, Ashutosh, tell how it will be 54.
Sir, because it's an isosceles triangle.
So,
So sir, 180 minus 72 gives that much, and if we divide it in half.
perfect. Very good. Very good. That this will be 54 degree. Then angle OBC. It's very simple.
We have to
Same
text.
54, 54.
60
अरे
degree.
यार,
Hey, how 54?
first of all you don't unmute text and ऊपर से you told the
60
answer
will
also
come.
wrong.
Okay. OBC will be 60 degree and angle ABC will be how much? We just add both of them. OBA plus OBC. That is
54 plus 60.
yeah, that is gives you 114.
हाँ sir, one.
Got it? That's it. Now let's move to the next question. Yeah. Now in the given figure, arc AB and arc BC are equal in length. That means this angle, this arc and this arc are equal. That means this angle and this angle should be equal. Yeah. Now if angle AOB is 48 degree, we already know that this arc is equal to this arc. So this angle should also be 48. Now what they are asking, angle BOC, that is 48. Angle OBC, what it will be? Very simple.
Construct BC first.
Yeah. You're giving orders.
No, sir, sorry.
Okay. What will be angle OBC? Uh, yeah, anyone can answer.
Sir, now I don't have the answer. Last two questions I had the answer.
You will have for this also if you had for that. It's almost the same.
61.
No.
OBC, no,
Sir,
sir.
sir 66.
Yeah. I think there is a calculation missing.
Subtraction का गलत हुआ.
Hmm. Yeah, 66.
Sir, my net issue was there. 66 only I
हाँ,
did.
टिश्यू के वजह से 66 का 61 हुआ.
Fine. OBC is 66 degree. Okay. And then angle AOC is just you need to add that is 96.
96.
And angle OAC, the same thing, that is 66. I hope everyone is getting it.
Yes.
Yeah?
Yes.
Okay, fine. Next. The next is this. In the given figure, the length of the arc AB and BC are in the ratio 3:2. This arc and this arc are in the ratio 3:2. So obviously this angle and this angle will also be in the ratio of 3:2. Yes or no? So what I know, angle AOB upon angle BOC will be equal to 3 upon 2. Since the arcs are in the same ratio, the angles will also be in the same ratio. Okay, and AOB they have given 96. If angle AOB is 96, then you can find angle BOC easily. So angle
Sir, can we
BOC
send in the chat?
not required. So it will be 96 into 2 upon 3. Fine. This goes on that side. This yeah. So 3 threes are 2s are. So angle BOC is 64
64.
degrees. And what will be angle ABC?
Sir,
Yeah.
I have a I have a doubt.
Hmm.
Sir, in this sum we don't have to take means let the common multiple be x करके 3x and 2x.
Not
Okay.
required. You can directly write this also.
Okay.
Yeah.
Sir, 3x is equal to 96, 2x is equal to 96. That will also is okay.
You can write in that way also, no problem. That way also works. See, in maths, you can write the solution in different methods. Every teacher will have a different method. Means every teacher will not have a different method. There will be 2 or 3 methods which will be taught. One of the method will be taught to you. Okay? And angle ABC will be how much? Yeah, please answer. Please solve. I want answers in the text, in the chat box. You need to write something on the paper, only then you'll get. Don't think. Next. Please tell me fast. If you don't know, then I'll even that is also appreciated if you say I don't know, because that saves the time. Reagan, it's not. That's a good habit. Whenever means if you go anywhere and if you don't know the answer, you should tell it immediately. Anywhere means you can tell it I don't know. That is a good answer. If you wait for it and you don't answer, then it gives a bad impression. It's for anywhere, not in the class. If you don't know it, just tell it I don't know. Okay. The next is this angle ABC. How we can find is to get that we know that angle BOC is 64. Okay, and the lengths of the arc AB and BC are in the ratio 3:2, and they have given angle AOB is how much? 96. So angle ABO will be how much? This plus 96 should be equal to 180. Okay, so 180 minus 96 divided by 2 will give the answer of angle ABO. I hope you are getting it. Yeah.
Yes.
Okay, that is 10 minus 6 4, and then 7 17 minus 9 is how much? 8 by 2. So answer is 42, angle ABO. Okay, and angle OBC will be,
42 plus 58.
the sound was getting lowered. I think there was a confusion.
Let it be.
Okay, then angle OBC, if I want to find, it will be 180 minus 64 divided by 2. So that is 10 minus 4 is 6, 7 minus 6 is 1, and 1 by 2. So answer is 58, right? So angle ABC will be equal to angle ABO plus angle OBC. So angle ABO is 42 plus angle OBC is 58. So answer is 100. Yes, how many of you have not understood? Please raise your hand. I will explain it to you again if you have any doubt. No doubt. I
Sir,
really
less than 1 minute.
what less than acha. It's fine.
We'll reach him.
Don't see at that time. Once it ends, we'll continue because I cannot wait for now. Okay. And yeah, anyone over here who did not understood? See, it's really it doesn't suit because you say that you understand, but whenever I ask the next question, you don't give the answers. I expect that everyone should be answering. Either you say that, so is this sum is clear, no, everyone? So this will be the last exercise for the circles. So in the given figure, AB is a side of a regular hexagon and AC is a side of a regular eight-sided polygon. Find. I think you should be able to find it now. Please tell what will be the answer for this. Reagan, can you explain how did you get the first answer?
Sir, because it is an equilateral.
How do you know that it is an equilateral?
Sir, can I say?
Wait.
Sir, because it is a regular hexagon.
So why it's an equilateral triangle?
Sir.
All sides are equal.
For regular hexagon.
360 upon 6 hexagon, no?
Yeah.
So 60 each.
Yes. Yes. Okay.
Sir, I'm not asking the answer, but is
Yeah.
the seventh, fourth one in decimal?
Angle OBC.
Hmm.
Yeah, it is in decimal. Yeah. So what I was saying, how we can find angle AOB is since this angle will be equal to 360 upon 6 because since AB is a hexagon. Okay, if it is a hexagon, it will have 6 sides. So that is 360 divided by 6. So that is angle AOB is 60 and angle AOC since it has 8 sides. So what will be angle AOC? Reagan.
360 upon 8.
Exactly. Very good. Now this will be 360 upon 8 and that will be how much?
45.
45. Okay. So this angle will be 45 degrees. Okay. After that, this is we got that is 45-degree. Angle BOC, you just have to add both of them. That is 105. And angle OBC. OBC. Yeah. How do you find angle OBC? Shlok. How we can find angle OBC? You can also tell in your language if you want to say in Hindi, Marathi, whatever. It's no problem. You can say, but do not. It's a maths lecture, not a language lecture.
180 minus 105.
And
Uh,
then
that will be the answer.
180 minus 105 that gives you 75. So what do you think? This angle will be 75? Yes or no?
Sir, I don't know, but yes.
No, it's not. See, 180 minus this 105, if you do, these two angles will be remaining, no? This angle and this angle. So it has to be divided by 2. That's 75 divided by 2. What do you get? That will be the answer.
Third,
Yeah.
37.
37.5.
Yeah, 37.5. Exactly. Arjun, did you understood this? Yeah?
Yes, sir.
Yes, Arushi, why you are slapping yourself?
No, sir.
There are so many exercises are there.
No, no, it's this will be the last exercise. This 17D is the last exercise. See, the Salina book is has a good number of questions, also the difficult number of questions. I say the most preferred book for ICSE is the Salina only, as per me. Okay, the next. So the books which you are using, it has this many number of questions, or how it is?
Sir,
Sir,
it
we don't have
has,
so many.
Huh?
sir, usually we have 3 exercise, but this time some questions are cancelled.
Okay, fine. Now in the given figure, O is the center of the circle and the length of the arc AB is twice the length of arc BC and angle AOB is this. Then find. Easy question, you can answer. Please text you. Now in the given figure, O is the center of the circle and the length of the arc AB is twice the length of the arc BC, right? Since the length of this arc AB is twice the length of arc BC, so the angle subtended will also be twice. That is angle AOB will be twice of angle BOC. Yeah. So we know that angle AOB is 100 equals twice of angle BOC. So angle BOC will be 50 degree.
Ah.
Okay, this is 100, this is 50. Now what you need? This BOC we needed, that is 50. And now OAC is required. OAC. If this is 100, the sum of these two will be, wait, they are asking OAC. Okay, this one they require. Okay. Now again, in triangle OAC, what all things we have? Angle OAC plus angle AOB, AOC plus angle OCA will be equal to 180 degree. But we know that angle OAC and angle OCA are equal, so you can take one of them as angle OAC plus angle OAC plus this AOC is how much? 150 equals 180. So twice of angle AOC will be equal to 30 degree and then angle AOC will be 15 degrees. Clear? Yes, please nod your face. Why everyone is looking so serious? Yeah. Say yes, or you can say no, you can nod your face. Okay, got
Yes,
it.
sir.
Like this. Okay. The next. So this exercise is done. Now the next is this. This first question, let's solve. The radius of a circle is 13 centimeter and the length of one of its chord is. Find the distance of the chord from the center. It's a very simple question. You can solve this question. You should ask for it, sir. Please solve. Should not wait for me that sir will ask, then I'll say. Should ask by yourself only. You have complete authority to ask if you have any doubt. The radius of a circle is 13 centimeter. Okay. The radius of the circle is 13 and the length of one of its chord is 24 centimeter. That is, the length of one of its chord is 24. Find the distance of the chord from the center. So they are asking what is the distance of this chord from the center. So that will be perpendicular. And if I draw a line over here, this will be 13. And since it's a perpendicular, so this is 24, this will be 12. And this is 12 and 13. By using Pythagoras triplet, I can say this is 5. Got it? Reagan?
Yes.
That's it. Next.
That's my adat of thinking.
Okay. Then your brain process faster in
Yes.
that way. Okay. The next is prove that equal chords of a congruent circle subtend equal angle at their center. It's the same thing. I don't think we should be doing this because it's the same thing. See what you have. The two circles are congruent. The two circles will be congruent when the two circles will be congruent
When their perimeter is equal or area is equal
when their
or the
simple
radius.
yeah when their radius is equal. Simple in a simple language. Prove that equal chords of a congruent circle subtend equal angle at their center. Equal chords means suppose if this is one of the chord and this is the other chord. Okay, what they said, the two chords are equal. It's a very simple thing. What they have given, the given thing is AB is equals to CD. Okay, and since the two since the two circles are congruent, their radius will be equal only, no? Yeah. Then we can say that the two triangles are congruent by CPCT, and therefore we can say that this angle is equal to this angle. Sorry, the two triangles will be congruent by SSS test, and these two angles will be equal by CPCT. Got it, or you want me to write the whole proof?
Understood.
Understood. Okay. Yeah. Now draw two circles of different radii, they said, right? If you draw two circles of different radii, okay, these are two circles. Now, how many points these circles can have in common, and what is the maximum number of common points? Now, they can have zero number of points which are common. Okay, this is one of the possibility. The other possibility is they can have one point in common, okay, or they can have 2 points in common. That's it. Over here, they can have 0 point in common. They can have 1 point in common, or they can have 2 points. Can they have 3 points in common? Is there any possibility?
No, sir. Only one. Okay.
One or
Sir, where 2 points? Acha, हाँ. If there are three circles, then it's possible, no?
No.
they are asking only about the two circles. When you have two circles of two different radii, then what will be the maximum number of common points? The maximum
Two.
number of common points can be two only. Got it? What is the maximum number of common points? The answer for this is 2. Clear? The next. This will be there in your class 10th actually, I think, this construction. Suppose you are given a circle, describe a method by which you can find the center of the circle. This is only for the general knowledge, you should have it. I don't think this will be asked in your exam. Fine. So how we can draw, suppose this circle is given, okay? Suppose if you have taken a plate and kept that plate on a paper and drawn a circle. Now I will ask you, where is the center of the circle? How you will find it?
Sir, perpendicular bisector we will do.
How?
No.
How you will draw?
Sir, if we draw two diameters where it's
But
intersecting.
how you will know? You will get a scale and you will draw a diameter like this.
Barabar.
That's what I said. You have not used protector. You have used a plate and kept it on paper and drawn a circle. Now you need to find where is the center.
Center is in the center only. No, what a cheap question there is.
Oh wow. I
This
am
you write
asking
and come.
where it is, exactly where it is. If I ask you plot it, you will say over here, right? But it can be wrong also. I need the exact point where it will be.
How to find out?
How to find it? That's what the question is. So what you can do is you can use your rounder, okay? And suppose if this is your rounder and like this kind of thing is there, no? There is a pencil over here, okay? And suppose if this is your pencil point, okay? And this green is the point. Are you getting it? Suppose if you put that green point over here and take any distance and cut these two arcs like this. Got it? Yeah. After that, now extend this, increase that length, and then with this point, if you have to put the point over here and draw two arcs over here, one over here like this and like this. Got it or not? Yeah. Okay. After that, with the same distance, put a point over here and draw two arcs like this and like this. Okay. After that, draw this line. Okay. After that, draw this line. Apply same steps on the for one more point over here. Same step, apply the same points over here, same steps, and then draw a line over here. Got it? The two lines where they will intersect, that will be the center of the circle. Got it? This type of questions you will be having in your class 10. There is only a one question over here. Just for knowledge, you should have it. How to find the center of the circle. Got it? Okay. The next. This question is almost similar, which we have done previously, so we'll not be solving this. In a circle of radius 10 centimeter, AB and CD are two parallel chords of length. Calculate the distance between the chords if they are on the same. This also question was solved in the previous exercise. In the given figure, O is the center of the circle with radius and OD is perpendicular to AB. If AB, find the length of CD. Chalo. You please start solving this question number 7. Yeah, please start. And find the length of CD. It's easy only, it's not difficult.
For finding CD, we'll take either of the triangles
Got the
AC.
answer.
Ruk re baba. For finding CD, we'll find DCB, no?
For finding
Sir.
CD, we will find DC.
No, for finding CD, we'll in the triangle DCB, we'll find DB first.
Yes.
But how we'll find DB, sir? Only CB we know.
Sir,
Yeah. Yeah.
wait na, sir. I am writing you the answer.
Okay. Fine.
Manto, they have not given OD also, sir.
The AB is given, no?
Only AB.
And radius is also given.
Sir, can I say the answer?
OD is also the radius. OD
Is
is
it correct? Is it correct?
wait. Wait, I'll tell you.
It was oral.
Yeah, yeah. It's right.
Sir,
Ashutosh.
I just subtracted it.
Yes, yes.
Oh, radius minus OC.
Yeah. Arushi, how 20?
Sir, OD is this na 32 and OC is 12.
Eh?
AB is
AB is
32.
32 and
Ah,
AC
oh,
is
oh,
6.
correct. Ah, sir, now check.
Now it is right. This OB is 20. Yeah. And OD is perpendicular to AB. Okay. And AB is 32. Since it's a perpendicular, so this will get divided into two parts. So the value of CB will be how much? 32 divided by 2. That is 16. So if this is 16 and this is 20, by using Pythagoras triplet, what will be the value of OC?
12.
Okay, if this is 12, we know that OD is how much? 20. So CD we can find as we know, OC plus CD equals OD, and the value of OC is how much? 12 plus CD, which we do not know, and the OD is 20. So the value of CD is 8. Got it? Yeah.
Yes.
Okay, so there are two or three sums which you have that we will be doing in the next class. Okay, and then we'll be starting with the topic that is trigonometry. Okay, I want everyone should be attending it.
Saturday.
Yeah, without fail, because that's the first part, so you should be attending it properly. Chalo then. Bye bye everyone.
Thank you, sir.